Today we're going to talk about how to remove negative Google reviews. Google reviews play a crucial role in shaping public perception of your business. While you can't remove all negative reviews, certain types can be flagged and potentially taken down. Here's a guide to understanding what can be removed and how to do it. First, it's important to identify the types of reviews that violate Google's review policies and can be removed. Let's take a closer look at each type. Spam and fake reviews. Spam and fake reviews are those that are clearly not genuine, often posted by bots or competitors trying to harm your reputation. Offensive or inappropriate content. Reviews containing offensive language, hate speech, or recoveries. Inappropriate content violate Google's policies and can be flagged for removal. Conflict of interest. Reviews written by people with a conflict of interest, such as employees or competitors, are also against Google's guidelines. Promotional content. Reviews that promote other businesses or services are not allowed. These often contain links or advertisements for unrelated products. Illegal content. Any review containing illegal content, such as threats or discriminatory remarks, should be reported immediately. Off-topic reviews. Reviews that are off-topic and unrelated to your business, products, or services can be flagged for removal. Once you've identified a review that violates Google's policies, you can flag it for removal. Locate the review, flag it, and submit a report. While waiting for Google to review your report, respond to the negative review professionally. Keep your response polite, acknowledge the customer's concerns, and offer a solution or invitation to discuss the matter privately. Regularly monitor your Google reviews to quickly identify and address any that violate policies. Set up alerts for new reviews to stay on top of what customers are saying about your business. At Leak Content Removal, we specialize in managing online reputations and handling negative reviews. Our team can help you identify, report, and remove inappropriate reviews, ensuring your business maintains a positive online presence. Removing negative Google reviews that violate policies can protect your business's reputation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice. And if you need professional assistance with managing your online reputation, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Until next time, stay proactive and protect your online reputation.